Right now, as you're watching this video, 38 new AI postings are being posted per minute. In 5 short years, AI job postings have skyrocketed 38% on LinkedIn alone, eclipsing the growth rate of any other role globally. Here's what no one's telling you. You don't need to have a PhD in computer science to get one of these high-paying AI jobs. Workers with AI capabilities earn an extra 18% more than non-AI workers, and specific roles can fetch a premium of as much as 56%. So what are these elusive AI generalist skills that companies are scrambling to find? And more specifically, how do you become a master of them in 2025? I'm actually going to reveal to you the step-by-step video marketing blueprint that's working right now. Stay with me. Let's start with the facts. AI use has led to a 4-fold uplift in productivity growth in all sectors. The PwC's 2025 Global AI Jobs Barometer showed. Medicine, how AI is diagnosing diseases 40% faster than before. Healthcare, how AI diagnoses diseases 40% faster than doctors. Finance, fraud detection in under 100 milliseconds. Marketing, targeted campaigns with 300% higher conversion rates. Agriculture, 25% increase of optimal crop yields. The numbers are staggering. AI job postings grew by 32% from a year ago, with more than 14,000 job openings in April of 2025. But get this, 60% of these roles don't require AI PhDs. They are out there looking for what I refer to as AI translators. What companies need are people able to bridge the gap between complex AI technology and actual business problems. That's the niche for AI generalists. According to resumetemplates.com, 87% are planning to hire in 2025, and they say it's interested in AI experience in job applicants. First up, data literacy. This isn't about learning to be a statistician, but about reading the story told by your data, understanding data structures and formats, spotting patterns and anomalies, asking the right questions, and interpreting results for business decisions. Data literacy, think of it like learning to read a GPS. You don't have to know how to make a satellite, but you damn well better know how to find yourself in the world. If the customer data reveals, for example, that 80% of sales occur on Tuesdays, well, that's fascinating. But if you find out that's the time your competitor's site crashes every week, now that is actionable intelligence. Second, machine learning fundamentals. Don't worry, you won't be building neural networks from the ground up. Supervised versus unsupervised learning, training data and model accuracy, overfitting and bias recognition, algorithm selection basics. Consider how you might teach a child to recognize dogs. You display thousands of dog photos, training data. They learn patterns, algorithm, and identify new dogs they've never seen, predictions. You're not supposed to become a data scientist overnight. It's so that you can understand the language well enough to have intelligent conversations with the technical team. Third, problem-solving AI and strategy. This is where the majority of newbies screw up. They jump in the tech and forget the basics. Identifying AI-suitable problems, cost-benefit analysis of AI solutions, implementation strategy and timeline, ROI measurement and optimization. I have seen companies spend $100K on AI-enhanced email optimization, where an AI simply beats the highest performing subject line in a cohort, while a $10 a month scheduler was the solution. That's not smart AI, that's expensive showboating. Let's talk money. The hottest AI generalist roles. Dice Tech Salary Report 2025, and here are the hottest AI generalist roles. AI Product Manager, $140,000 to $180,000. AI Strategy Consultant, $120,000 to $160,000. AI implementation specialist, $100,000 to $140,000. AI ethics advisor, $110,000 to $150,000. Notice something? These aren't programming jobs. These are AI fluent business strategy positions, not AI mastery ones. California, Texas, and New York are the top states for AI job growth, but remote jobs have grown 150% since 2023. PwC's most recent survey of workers found employees with AI skills can earn as much as a 56% wage premium across specialized industries. That is no typo. It's the power of being ahead of the curve. Days 1 to 30. Foundation building. Google's AI for Everyone, 15 hours, 94% completion rate. Coursera's Data Analysis with Python, 25 hours. LinkedIn Learning's AI Strategy, 8 hours. Pro tip: don't have the mentality that you should just collect all these certificates like Pokemon cards. Emphasize classes with practical projects that you can show off to recruiters. Days 31 to 60. Portfolio projects. 1. Personal spending analysis using AI tools. 2. Customer behavior prediction for local business. 3. Social media sentiment analysis project. Days 61 to 90. Network and apply. Join 3 AI communities, LinkedIn, Reddit, and Discord. Attend 2 virtual AI conferences monthly. Engage with 5 AI leaders weekly on social media. Apply to 10 AI-adjacent roles. Real example, Sarah built an AI customer churn prediction tool in 90 days with 0 coding experience. It landed her a $130,000 AI strategy role at a Fortune 500 company. So here's your reality check. The AI revolution isn't on the way. It's already here. For every day you wait, more people are developing these skills and taking these high-paying positions. You have 2 choices. You can wait for the perfect moment that never arrives, or you can get a head start today on your 90-day AI skills sprint. You will know these 3 core skills: data literacy, machine learning fundamentals, and AI problem solving, and you will be among the top 5% of applicants in 2025. If this map resonates with you, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I'm monitoring the AI job market every day and sharing the most current tactics. I've created a free 90-day AI skill sprint checklist with specific course recommendations, project templates, and networking scripts. Link is in the description. Your future self will thank you for starting today. What AI skill will you tackle first? Drop it in the comments. I read and respond to every single one.